Hi Chef, so today I'm going to show you what to do with some over-ripened bananas. So, the riper the better for something like this. The flavour really does come out of bananas as they get older. Also, did you know, apparently we peel bananas wrong. See that little bit at the bottom? You're supposed to use that to peel. And then it splits equally. And you can hold that while you're eating it. Weird that. Never done it that way, but it's a little pointless fact. Right, so I've got three little bananas here. And all you're going to do is mash them with a fork. So just mash them up like that with a fork. So I'm going to do it all in this mixer because obviously I have the joys of doing it. You can do it by hand. And what I'm going to do is I've got a little old lime here. I'm just going to add the juice of this lime to it. Just to try and prevent losing any colour. I want to try and keep the yellowness of the banana. And also the lime's going to have like a little citrus note. We've got another little lime here, so we'll add that as well. So once they're in then, what I'm going to do is turn this up and I'm going to add about 200 mils of double cream. And I'm just going to whip that till it thickens. Right, that's thickened up a little bit. What I'm going to do is I want to try and get that like molassesy caramel flavour into it, because obviously caramel bananas is great. So I'm just going to put a spoonful of dark soft sugar in. And obviously, so it doesn't go too dark, I'm going to put a spoonful of light soft brown sugar in. Now obviously we want to taste the banana, we don't just want to taste the sugar. So I'm going to mix that through. And what I'm going to do is we're going to taste this for sweetness. I'm going to add a little bit of runny honey. About a tablespoon. So we've got sweetness comes from honey and the 2 types of sugar. So again, I'm just going to beat this till it all comes together. Right, so that's thickened up a little bit. I don't want it too thick because obviously the idea of a parfait is it's going to set. Now, with this being a yoghurt parfait, I'm going to put about 300 mils of yoghurt into this. Now, a classic parfait uses a pat bomb base of eggs, but I'm trying to do this without eggs. And technically, it's more like frozen yoghurt. So, incorporate the yoghurt. Boom. So, the flavour we've got is that like banana yoghurt kind of flavour going on. So, I'm just going to tweak this a little bit as well. And I'm going to put some peanut butter through it. Now, I don't want the peanut butter to be like absolutely mixed through it. I just want to kind of ripple it. So, half a jar of peanut butter. Turn it up, turn it off. That's all I'm going to do. Like I said, I want little chunks in there. Oh, that's good. Like I said, this by no means is a classic parfait. So this is just a way of making quick, simple little dessert with stuff you've got in your fridge. So if you look at how nice this looks now, a little wobble on it. And you can line this with cling film if you want. Your tray, your bowl, your pot, whatever you're going to put it in. I'm not gonna. So I'm just going to tip that in like so. You could add anything to this at this point. If you want to add any toffees or anything else in, you can do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a handful of walnuts, so that obviously when you're eating it you get that texture to it. The reason I'm adding walnuts is one, I like them, and two, I've got them in my cupboard. So walnuts in. Ideally, if I had some peanuts, I'd have put those in, because obviously the peanut butter. And just mix those through. God, them dogs. And then what I'm going to do with this now, I'm going to put this in my freezer overnight to set. It probably will set in about 4 hours. If that's the case, I'll carry on then. Right guys, plating, parfait set, proper butte. So I've just got some Lotus biscuits and then butte caramel ones. I'm going to stick some of them on plate. I'm going to take us parfait. I'm going to sit that on. Then I've got some strawberries, some raspberries, just to make it a bit healthy, you know what I mean? And then I've just got a few little bits of mint, front garden. Not bad that.